So let's take a look at our fully configured app. As you see here, we're greeted by our splash screen with the Mobile Daily logo we set up earlier. As we get into the app, we see that things are looking pretty good on our home screen. Everything is nicely tied together. The top navigation bar and bottom tab bar look great. These navigation menus can easily take us to key places within the app and provide our users with a great user experience. One thing to note is that we've kept all the colors consistent across the branding section and the navigation bars. So this provides a feeling of continuity within the app as we travel to different pages and articles. So as we start navigating into the articles, we can see that our dynamic titles are clearly labeling each section. So our hierarchy is working, our dynamic titles are working. We can choose to go back to the previous page or use our bottom tab bar to click back to the home screen or any other screen that we really want to go to. So while the simulator devices show the full app experience, I can also download the app to test on a physical iPhone or Android device. Getting to experience your app on a real phone is a really exciting stage in the process, and we make it super easy. With GoNative, it's free to test locally, including using Apple Test Flight. I'll provide links to our documentation in the video description so you can do this yourself. Or if you don't have a Mac computer with Xcode, you can make use of our App Store publishing service, and our team will upload your app to Test Flight so you can test without needing to do this yourself. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial walking you through how to build a news app with GoNative. This really only scratches the surface of what's possible within our platform. Keep an eye out for our future videos to see all the exciting ways you can use GoNative to launch a full-featured mobile app that's powered by your web content. In the meantime, try out our platform for free by visiting gonative.io. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.